Logistics Business Performance Scorecard is a strategic tool used to measure, monitor, and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of a logistics company's operations. It typically involves key performance indicators, KPIs, across various dimensions such as service, customer, port of loading, agent, vessel, and ISO week-based revenue performance. Logistics CEO dashboard tailored to focus on revenue based on multiple agents, services, and customers would provide a strategic view of the company's financial performance, customer engagement, and service efficiency. Revenue breakdown. Top-performing customers. Service performance metrics. To effectively analyze logistics performance with respect to units or volume transported and revenue generated, while considering average TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units, based on multiple dimensions and ISO weeks. Financial analysis. Executive summary. Gain a comprehensive view of the company's financial performance with interactive analytics. This dashboard is designed to present real-time insights, trends, and key performance indicators, KPIs, for executive-level decision-making. Key financial metrics. This section highlights the most important financial metrics for quick assessment. Daily revenue trends. Visualize fluctuations in daily revenue with dynamic graphs. Use line or bar charts to show performance patterns over the selected period. Month-over-month revenue growth. Compare the revenue growth or decline between the current and previous months. Easily toggle between months to analyze growth patterns and identify peak revenue periods. Top 10 products and customers. Interactive tables or charts showcasing the top 10 products and customers based on revenue. Filter options allow the dynamic adjustment of the view based on a time period or product category. Year-over-year revenue comparison. Visualize revenue trends across the current and previous year to easily detect anomalies. Line charts or bar graphs compare revenue fluctuations month by month, highlighting any outliers or sharp variances. Revenue anomaly detection. Automatically flag unusual spikes or drops in revenue, marking months where performance diverges significantly from the historical norm. Anomaly detection algorithms help uncover potential factors, such as seasonality, external market conditions, or internal changes. Count receivables. Comprehensive view of all customer payments that are yet to be processed. Visualize total outstanding amounts, with clear segregation based on how long the payments have been overdue. Top customers by revenue. Identify the top-performing customers for each quarter based on their total contribution to revenue. A dynamic list that updates automatically, highlighting high-value customers and key accounts. Sales Management Analysis. CRM. Sales Analysis Data Model is pre-built for organizations for analyzing the overall performance of the opportunity lifecycle by multiple metrics. Summary of Opportunity 1. Lost and pipeline based on business unit, product lines, account manager, and over year, month, date. Opportunity Funnel Chart based on opportunity statuses. Performance Analysis based on account manager, business unit, product lines, and cumulative performance against sales target versus won opportunities. 1Vs. Lost to quickly compare for multiple account managers in the organization, compare for different time period, including one pattern. Trend Analysis. Trend analysis for one, lost in pipeline and compare with sales target. Quarterly top performing account manager view helps to understand quickly the performance for different quarters. Dynamically analyze the top performing customers against won versus lost opportunities. Human Resource Employee Lifespan Analysis for large organizations. Human capital is a critical asset for any organization, making it essential to retain this valuable resource. Joiners versus leavers summary. This analysis offers insights into the number of employees joining and leaving the organization, providing a clear overview of workforce dynamics. Grade-wise joiners versus leavers analysis. By evaluating joiners and leavers across different grades, organizations can explore what-if scenarios to improve employee retention and reduce operational costs. Year-over-year comparison. Comparing leaver ratios year-over-year helps organizations understand trends and make informed decisions to improve retention strategies. Agent-wise lifespan analysis, breaking down the lifespan of employees by recruitment agents reveals actionable insights to optimize the recruitment process and enhance workforce stability. Procurement analysis. Procurement spend analysis provides quick insights into an organization's purchasing history, enabling informed decision-making. Purchase summary, an overview of purchase trends categorized by suppliers. Supplier-wise purchase summary and trends, identifies purchase patterns and supplier contributions over time. Top suppliers by purchase value, highlights key suppliers based on their transaction value. Supplier rate pattern analysis, examines pricing trends among suppliers to ensure cost effectiveness and identify opportunities for negotiation.